This is a short tutorial on how to use Azure PowerShell. To use Azure PowerShell, we'll click here and then it will, here in this part, it will open the PowerShell. Okay, so you can actually make it full screen, like it will open a new tab. So if we click here, for some time it will open it in a new tab. Now how to create a file here. So what you need to do, you need to say code, there is a test.json. So let's say we want to create a file called test.json, then press enter and it will open a text editor. So let's say we copy some code, can directly paste it here, Control V, it will paste it here. So now how to save this file? To save this file, you can see it is not saved. So what you need to do in the keyboard is say Control S, and then you see this one is gone. That means this file is saved. So to verify it, what you can do, actually we can switch back to bash, and then say, can see this is the file we just created, test.json. So we can actually cat this file. Okay, so this is how we can use PowerShell in Azure, and also there is a upload and download option, so you can upload and download files. That's it.